Hello guys, so today what we're going to talk about is after what we did in the last tutorial when we installed the Django-Rest-Auth. So today we need to see how we can use it, what we can do with it. And so first thing first, let's run our server. Let's open a new terminal. Clear this. Let's activate our virtual environment. Navigate to our virtual environment folder, scripts, activate. Let's navigate to our Django project folder. Okay, and let's run the server. As you know, it's Python server. So as you see, we got the server running. So let's go to the website and see how we can use those endpoints. So as you remember, this is our admin panel, and you remember what we had here after we did the installation and configuration for the auth tokens, the Django-Rest-Auth. We got this token here, which I told you it will contain all the unique keys or tokens for the users that will be registered. So how do we do registration for a new user, how we log in? We will see that just now. So if we go to the documentation and check the endpoints for the Django-Rest-Auth, you will see that first we have this REST-Auth login, and it's a post request. It requires username, email, or password, and password and this, what it will return a token key. So each user logs in. The API, when the user logs in, the API gives us a token which is unique key for the user, so we can use it in our request to that API for this particular user. So we have also the logout, which when we need to log out, as sign out or log out. What else we have? We have password reset. This is when you provide your email, and then the API or the server will send you a link to reset your password. Also, this is a password reset confirmation. So when you click that link, the link will take you back to the server and provide the token UID, which is another unique ID related to the that session where you requested to reset your password, and then your first password, second password, password change if you just want to change your password. REST-Auth user is when you want to get if you want to get the information about this user, or you want to change like username, first name, last name. Registration is where you sign up or provide your information like username, password, confirm password, and then the email, and then you'll be able to register. Registration verify email is like after you register, you receive an email to verify. An email be sent to your email that you used when you registered to verify your email. So that's basically what it is. So now let's try that and see how it works. So here, this is our admin panel. Let's request a REST-Auth /. So what do we have here? What links we can go? What links we can, or endpoints we can use to do requests? So as you see here, we have the REST-Auth login, logout, and registration. This is what we need for now. So if we need to sign up or register a new user, we need to use this endpoint. So let's use it. Registration. As you see, we have a form. This is a request that we got from the API, giving us a form to fill. And for example, let's put my API 3, for example, at Gmail, and let's use. Don't use a numeric password like 1 2 3 4. Don't use it. Always get used to use a strong password that includes letters, numbers, and some other signs like errors, those signs. So we provided, as we saw in the documentation, username, email, first password, second password, which is supposed to be the same password, and then we need to do a post request to our server. So now we got this error, says no connection could be made because the target machine actively refused it. Okay, don't worry about this for now. We're just gonna refresh, and we're gonna go back to our admin panel and see if our user got registered, our new user. So let's go to admin, and if we go to users here, we can see that this is Alan here, and this is the email that we registered. And the other things I want you to see, guys, if we go to tokens, we will see that we got a unique key for Alan, which is the token, and this token we will be using it to do authentication or during requests, to authenticate with our server. So all our requests will be authenticated, and we will have permission to do requests to our API. So let's try to do a login and see how we can make it. So as we see, let's go to Rest-Auth /login. So you see the Django-Rest framework will show you that you already logged in with this. So this is the admin, this is the user that's logged in now. It's the admin. So let's log out, and let's put username my API3@gmail.com. Password was P12345678 and then let's do a post. And as we see, we are logged in now, and we got the name here, the username, and the API sent us back our unique key with our token for Alan, which is what's written here. It says if you do a login post with the user credentials, the API will return a token key, and this is what happened. So this is it for now, guys. Next tutorial we will try to do more with the Rest-Auth, and try to do authentication or authenticated requests to our API. If we create our own database, I'll try to post and get from it. So thank you guys for your time. See you next tutorial.